Hi there! If you've gone through our configurator design tips, you've learned how to make your configurator look more professional by adjusting its visual appearance. Now that your configurator looks polished, let's focus on its user experience. With a well-thought-out configuration logic and flow, more of your potential customers will stick around and proceed to the final step of your configurator. That means more inquiries, leading to more sales. Flow organization. Are your features organized into logical groupings, and are your steps arranged in a way that makes sense? Consider grouping related features together and keep the visualization in mind as you do it. For example, if you're selling a modular house, listing exterior and interior elements in separate groups or steps can work very well. The flow is important too. Start with big picture options and features, and then go into more detail in later steps. For example, here's how we organized features and steps in our 3D pergola configurator template. Step 1. Pergola model, type, and dimensions. Step 2. Frame color and roof slats options. Step 3. Lights. Step 4. Pergola closures. Step 5. Automation and extras. The configurator starts with high-level options like product model and dimensions. As the user progresses through the steps, they go into more and more detail. The least important features come at the very end of the flow. Don't forget, your potential customers will likely play around with your configurator, going back and forth between steps to try out different features and options. Organize your features well so that it's easy for them to find what they're looking for. Let's talk some more about steps. In SaleSqueze, steps are analogous to slides in a slideshow, so they represent individual screens of features and options. The steps serve as a way to break up the configuration process into manageable chunks so that the users don't get overwhelmed by all the options. While the optimal number of steps can be different for each product, depending on the number of features, there is a rule of thumb you may want to keep in mind. In general, it's best to keep to around 3 to 5 steps. Of course, these are just observations from our existing customers. Your product may require more or less steps, so use your discernment. Include filters and rules. You don't need to display every single feature and option to your customers at all times. Use filters and rules to clean up the user interface and hide irrelevant and disabled options. Rules let you orchestrate how the configurator responds to user actions. Rules can be set up to display or hide specific elements of the configurator based on what options the user previously selected. For example, in our 3D pergola configurator template, we're using a rule that enables the feature if the motorization option is selected. Rules in SaleSqueze have the if-then-else structure. In other words, when the if condition is met, the then action is carried out. In this case, when one of the listed options is selected in the Elements Automation feature, the Motorized Elements feature is enabled. By default, this feature is set to be disabled and hidden, so it appears only when the user selects one of the options that enable it. Filters let you narrow down the options displayed in a given feature based on a selection the user has previously made. You can apply filters as global rules or set filters on individual features in the configurator builder. Staying with the earlier example of the Motorized Elements feature, we use a filter to specify which options appear in the Motorized Elements feature. Only options that the user has added and can be motorized appear. A pergola configured without screen rollo side closures can only have motorized roof slats, but if at least one screen rollo has been added, then it will appear as a motorized element too. There are many more things you can do with rules. Watch our rules overview video for more information. If your product has a large number of options and categories, or if you carry multiple product lines, think about using guided selling to narrow down what your customers see. In SaleSqueze, you can set up a guided selling flow that guides customers to the best product for them, based on categories or other relevant specs you set up. Instead of browsing through all your products, the flow acts as a filter that saves your customers time and prevents them getting confused and frustrated. Leverage well-designed configuration logic to improve your configurator's user experience and increase your conversion rate. Don't be afraid to talk to your customers and change things up if needed.